Imagine a library that contains every thought, every word, and every discovery of the human race. This is the scale of the information age, but information is only powerful when it can be understood. To navigate this vastness, we built something extraordinary: artificial intelligence. AI is not magic. It is a masterpiece of mathematical logic and architectural precision. Today, we go inside the architecture of the neural network, the engine of modern digital intelligence. At its foundation, AI is built from layers of interconnected nodes, digital neurons that process information. It starts at the input layer, where raw data is converted into a language the system can interpret. The data then travels through hidden layers, where the true complexity of processing takes place. Each layer abstracts the information, identifying features, relationships, and hidden structures. But a network must be taught. This is the process of training. The AI is fed vast amounts of information, learning to recognize patterns through millions of iterations. Every connection in this network carries a weight, a value that determines how important that connection is. During training, the system fine-tunes these billions of weights to achieve the highest possible accuracy. When a connection is proven correct, it is strengthened. When it leads to an error, it is weakened. In the world's most advanced models, this process happens across trillions of parameters simultaneously. This relentless cycle of optimization is what transforms raw data into digital expertise. The most significant breakthrough came with the transformer architecture. Transformers use attention mechanisms to look at all parts of an input simultaneously, rather than in a fixed sequence. This allows the AI to understand context and the relationships between words, no matter how far apart they are. By attending to multiple relationships at once, the system gains a deep, nuanced understanding of language and logic. Once training is complete, the model moves to the next phase, inference. This is the moment of application. The model processes new information, using its learned logic to generate a response. It calculates the probability of what should come next, whether it's a word in a sentence or a pixel in an image. At this scale, the boundary between calculation and understanding begins to blur. This digital intelligence is now the foundation for a new era of global innovation and problem solving. It is the result of architectural precision, massive data, and the relentless logic of modern computing. As we refine these architectures, the potential for what we can achieve together continues to grow. We are standing at the threshold of a world reshaped by the power of thought made digital. A combination of massive scale and precise logic, AI is the universal connector of our modern age. Join us as we continue to explore the essential systems that are shaping our digital future. Understanding the tech that powers our world is the first step to mastering it. Stay curious, stay informed, and join us for the next deep dive into the architecture of tech. This has been a technical exploration of artificial intelligence. No branding, no limits, just the logic. The future is built on the architecture we create today. We'll see you in the next episode.